Hey guys, I just got this new nebulizer called Flip, and I'm really excited to see what it's all about. Fill, click, breathe, that sounds easy. Tiny box, I still can't believe there's a nebulizer in here, but how cool is that? Okay, let's open it up. We have some icons, the main product features. Easy to use, pocket-sized, rechargeable, quiet operation. And here's a packet with everything I need to know to use it. We'll get back to that later. I really want to see this Flip nebulizer first. Okay, here it is. Wow, way different from my current nebulizer. No tubes, no control units, nothing to assemble. Awesome. And look at this. It really is smaller than a smartphone. Unbelievable. No problem taking this one with me. And here is the USB port. I know how to use one of those. Now look at this mouthpiece. Really smooth open and close flipping action. I'm going out on a limb here, but I think that's where they got the name. That has got to make cleaning easy. And right here, see this tiny disc in here? They say it helps make treatments super quiet. And here's where you turn it on and off. The back snaps open, and we have the medication reservoir. It pops out, another easy to clean feature, and there's the other side of the disc. Kind of hard to imagine, but it has over 1,000 microscopic holes. So I hear treatments take only about 7 minutes. I'm down with that. Let's get back to this packet. We've got a quick setup guide, an overview, simple, I'm seeing a theme here. Inhale, I think I can handle that. And next we have helpful safety and cleaning tips on one little card. Now it is critical to clean Flip after every use, but how easy is that? So much easier than cleaning my old nebulizer. Can you tell I'm obsessed with how easy this is to clean? And here's the deep dive, everything you need to know about using Flip. Cool blue bag, great for my purse, briefcase, or backpack, very soft. Now let's just slip Flip in, and this keeps it nice and secure. USB charger, glad I don't have to deal with batteries anymore that just add to landfills. Plus, I get to save money. What is not to love about that? Guys, I hope my unboxing video was helpful, but hey, you really need to check this Flip out.